You pay bills?
All right, ready? Here we go. Number 12. We have to know how to break these down, and we have to know how to break these down both when they're negative and when they're not negative. Okay? So, how do we break these down? Well, we take negative 96. We do upside down division. Remember, we're always using 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. Okay, those are our primes. Okay? But before we can use 2 or 3, we need to use something else. What is that?
Inspiration.
Close. It starts with the same letter.
Imaginary.
Oh, I.
I. Good job.
Inspiration. Well, that's like.
All right. So imaginary inspiration is I.
Imaginary.
Okay. So we're going to pull out an I, and what that does is that makes this just 96.
That's what my name starts with.
It just takes that negative out. All right. So now I'm going to start with 2 because it's even, right? So 2 goes into 96 48 times. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Does 2 go into 48?
Yes.
24 times. Does 2 go into 24?
Yes.
12 times. Does 2 go into 12?
Yes.
6 times. Does 2 go into 6?
Yeah. How many times you
3 times. Does 2 go into 3?
No.
No, finally. Thank you. All right. But does 3?
Yes.
Yes. Good. 1 time. And when you get to 1?
You're done.
Thank you. All right. So, now we're going to take our pairs. Now, I is an automatic pair because I, you're taking out of the radical. I'm going to pair up anything that's paired. And what's happening here is, I noticed a lot of students were still, they didn't quite get this. So, when I did it like this, they understood it better. So let me try. So this is the I. This is those 2 2s. Those other 2 2s. I only wear 2 2s on Saturdays. Yes, I do like 2 2s. Okay? And what I do is I'm going to trade a pair on the inside for 1 on the outside. So I'm just taking this out. I'm taking this out. And I'm taking this out.
Oh man, I don't have room for them.
Okay? And I'm left with 2 times 2 times I, square root of 2 times 3. Which is 4I square root 6. It's the same thing here. 2 times 2 times I, square root 2 times 3, which is 4I square root 6. And that's how you do it. It's easy. Okay? It's not. Hey, if there's no negative, then there's no I. You do it the same way. Okay? Same way. You just don't have an I. It's just not imaginary. If you want to plug this into your function or into your calculator to figure out the number, you can. It just doesn't have an I. And then you put an I after it. Okay? Be like 2.6 I. In this case, it's going to be a little bit bigger than 2.6. It's about 9.4, something like that. 9.7. Okay? All right. Take a look at here. What do we do first? Yes. I need to get rid of that 2. Right? I got to get rid of the 2 first. All this is sad math. Okay? And then I got to break it down. X is equal to the square root of negative 40. So I'm going to take negative 40 and break it down. What do I pull out first? I. Good. So the I is first. And then the 2. Right?
2, which is 20.
And 2 inches,
20.
10. And
Wait.
2 inches,
Oh, never mind.
and
1.
what goes into 5?
1.
5.
5.
5.
So that you get to 1 and you're done. Okay, now,
Oh,
circle it up. I is circled. A pair of 2's is circled. Right? So what I have is 2I square root 10. Done, son. It's easy. Okay?
Unless you got buttons, son.
That's right.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, so 2I square root 10. Whatever's not circled gets put back into the square root. That's it.
Ew, why do they have like one?
Okay.